Hey, what's up, London? Is my mic working? Yeah, I think it is. How are you? Join my server. No. No. I'm not joining Discord server. The only Discord server I join are the one I want to be in, and I don't need more. You want me to join your Discord server, right? Uprising MSP as MSP hub. I don't want more notification for no reason. At this point, it won't be subtitle anymore. What's up, Russia? Yeah, let's pretend you care. I'm trying to change the name for Russia versus Monster, but yeah, I just did a save as. It does not change anything. It's just a Unity project here. Below settings, yeah. So I really don't know. Maybe I would just need to change the title from the thing directly 3 years ago. So what if I change this here? Like, if I do that, this will crash, right? It will not recognize the thing anymore. So it's not there anymore. Okay, so it worked this way. I changed the name and everything. Okay. So now I think I will still start from 0 though. I'm gonna go back on subtitle here. Actually not. I should change the build first. So this idle here was like you press on the cookie thing, you make cookie, you sell cookie for money, and then it show message like if I don't have enough cookies to sell and stuff like that, which is great. It's a good good template, but I should rename this actually. It won't be subtitle, it will be why is it still there? Okay, it's not there anymore. All right. I'm gonna make a new one from 0. It will be a 2D, and this time it will be subtitle. Yeah, I didn't choose the version though. I don't know how long I will stream Russia. I will maybe get bored or something if I don't see any motivation, you know. Maybe I should open something else here so I don't see how much people are watching. Should place this here. Tell me why. Hey, what's up, Dylan? How are you? Okay. So we have the game here. I mean, we have nothing yet, but still. We have the camera. It's here. Alright. So I'm not good with this. I will have to watch video and stuff like that. But first thing I can do here is a canvas. So this will be my game canvas. I will scale it with screen size. Let's put it 50, 0.5. This is the thing I was missing with Russia. That took me a lot of time for nothing, but yeah. Let's put it this way. A regular canvas for mobile game. Android. Portrait resolution. So this one is the most popular. I will take this one though. 180 by 1920 because it's more. I know it's not a good reason, but more pixel. Okay. Where's my canvas? There it is. Oh. Why is it on the landscape mode? The X is less than the Y, so the Y, and it's not moving when I'm doing this. It should be moving. That's weird. Okay. I will close this for now. I will open this back because I want to see as well. Yeah, I want to take the last version here. So I work on the last version possible before making everything and having to convert it back later. Oh yeah, that's a good link. Maybe I should turn this off and just go music. Okay, it finished. Scale with screen size, match with or height. There we go. Why is it, again, why is it, I probably have to click on something. That's weird. That's weird. Yeah, you did it for once, when I don't even care. It's not like anyone will see the message anyway. This canvas really do nothing. Like, if I do this, nothing change. What is wrong with this canvas? Oh. Okay, I get it now. No, I don't. But still. Okay, let's do a test. Let's put a text inside of this. Let's say hello and put it like best fit here. And so it is the canvas, but why is it on the other side again? Unless I'm just dumb. No, it is on the right. Width, height. It's why is the width? Oh, it's really this way? Okay. Let's change it then. X, Y. Okay, no, the XY is fine. It's really just the thing here that is not correct. If you go oh, it was a problem I had on my other game actually. Now this would fit my phone. Let's do a test. Let's put hello and hello 2. Well, let's just put whatever, this here and this. Oh, it go over 300, 600. Oh, there, it's actually the limit. Ah, I see. Okay, so if I do this here and I build and run this subtitle. Okay, let's make a build folder. Build. And let's see if it actually takes the resolution of my phone. Oh. Yeah, of course. Well, still the build is not working correctly, that's for sure. Build settings, so this is for Android. Development build. Let's find this way. Switch platform. I did not know that I could choose when I create the project. I forgot. Okay, now the canvas is it's looking a bit different. Alright, so let's put this here, let's put this here. Damn. I'm choking on my saliva right now. Shelter in too epic. Okay, so my game is launching right now. It's pretty much the same screen. I cannot show you because the cable is not long enough. I mean, I could potentially show you, I guess. So it's pretty much the same. That's cool. All right. So what should I do, Russia? You're gonna guide me? No, I'm kidding. Well, kind of. Okay, there is something I need to learn that I don't know how to do yet. But I guess it will be to go between scenes. I want... Okay, let's make the first scene. Or is that the way it works? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, I want more. Alright, let's make this scene main scene. Let's make a new one and save this one as player choose scene. Okay, now if I double click on this, nothing happened. It does become bold, so I can change the focus on it, but the whole thing stay the same. So this scene here is not based on this. Okay. So if on this scene I also had a canvas, why is it the same? Okay, because it's located somewhere, but I cannot change the rect transform. Is it because of the camera? No. Okay, I will try to go basic. In this one I will add a button, and it will be like choose your player, right? Button player. Where's the text of this? That's weird. Is there like no text on this? Oh, there is. So the text is not in the image. It's not in this. That's weird. Anyway, it's not really important. Scripts. This one will be button choose player button. Well, it should be called the other way. Script choose player button click. That's a long name. You let me know. We can avoid click on player choice, whatever. This way. Okay, so on this button, I will add on click. You will have the script and the function will be nothing, I guess. Control S here. Still not. Script choose. Why is there not? Is there a console in this? Yeah. Hey, what's up, puppy? The line. Unity write to console. Why is it so complicated? I just want a line to tell me. I mean, I guess print will work. Would it? Will it? Print test. Am I making a Roblox game? It's literally Unity. Why is that not working though? I mean, nothing will happen because I did not link the function, that's for sure. But I'm supposed to have more than this. I'm confused. What do you mean string name though? String name. There is no string name in that. Do I need to put the script into the button? Probably not. Pretty sure it's not this way for that. Alright, it's okay. Not really pro. I don't even know how to get my own click. Change nothing for sure. Dude, I don't understand. I know in the other one I do have the script. Do I need to put it? Not here, but nah, that's not what I want. Event system, that's also not what I want. Yeah, this one is the core. So, okay. If I do public test, public double test equals 1. Well, it will do nothing for now because it's not in any I really don't understand why is there a monoscript.name here. Well, for now I'm just trying to make a button work again, but I don't know why it's not working. I'm gonna open the Russia versus Monster just to see something, I guess. So in this one I have the button here and the button called the monster handler, and then I have monster handler here. But if I go in this function, monster handler obj, there is actually an object for that, but I don't know if it matters. I don't think it does. So if I go into the script here, monster handler here, it's also a mono behavior. I don't understand why on this one I can have the function and on the other one I don't. I have nothing. I only have monoscript. It's pretty annoying. Unity, make a button, click.
Hello guys, here is a new Unity video for beginners in which I script out the kind of components use an array canvas in one of the next videos. For example, let's use what you can do is to start the game. What to do in this is to press the button. Of my modifications when I start the game, do in this handler. It will be open. JavaScript, of course, and I call this button handler. Okay, then double click this script and it will be opened in Visual Studio. If Visual Studio...
It did put the script into the button though. So I will need to put it first into the object. Let's do it this way then. Oh, I was not taking the right thing here. Yeah, my test is now there because I put it there. Now if I do that, still nothing. Okay, so maybe he's just doing this to create the script, which is a way.
Is your current editor. So that you of the button, because the button, as I mentioned, contains an object called text that has
material. What's the thing I wanted to do? I don't even remember. Anyway.
As a text
Okay, you change the word
of the setText function, and I set this here to use this set button handler. And here you assign the button that has the button handler attached. And for the button handler, you find the method setText.
Huh. Okay, that's what I did wrong. So it's not a script choose. It's the button itself. Okay. It was the button itself. Alright, if I run this and I press this, where's the console here? Nothing happened, but damn, it's still, there are two audio listeners in the same thing. I'm sure there is always one audio listener in the scene. Well, there's the two scenes. Hey, what's up, Spiritual? How are you? What do you mean, two audio listener? The camera, probably. I'm gonna remove this one. Is it the problem? Okay. It does write test. Okay, I just wanted to make sure it was writing really what I write. Okay, so we have the click function working now. Now I want to know Unity change scene.
Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and in this mini Unity tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a click subscribe mind to have scenes. The first one is this one, and this is just a nice little thing I've got from the asset store named Stylized Nature Environment. And scene 2 is pretty much the same thing but brighter, so it looks a little bit crazy. So to get this working correctly, we have to establish which scene.
So the scenes have to be separated from the place, from the project thing here. So it's not here. So why is it called simple scene? So I need to save scene has. No, I cannot do that. I would like to whatever, I guess I will rename it here. Player choose scene. Okay, cannot move asset from assets destination path name does already exist. Oh, it is there. This is this one. Okay. Okay, now I can switch between the two. Okay, so let's make, for example, button what? Oh, the text is in the button. Oh, I just seen it now. Okay, player 1. Put this one here. Here. I don't want it inside. Well, whatever, I guess. Okay, this one will be. Let's paste it again. Let's go with 3 for now. So this one will be button player 1. Button player 2. And button player 3. Player 1, player 2, and player 3. Player 2 here, and player 3 here. Where's their arrows? I don't know. Okay. Now this button here is this button here. This button here is this button here. And this button here is this button here. Did I not just drag this one? No, okay. Alright, let's start with this one. we're gonna make a new script. This one will be player one script player one. Hey, what's up, Booster? I'm not a pro developer, but good, I guess. Why didn't it not open the right function? Anyway, now it should open it. Okay. Alright, so this, let's start with only this one. Alright, I will go back in my main scene. And now I want to call my player choose scene from this scene. You're more pro than me. Well, I'm doing a 2D game. I know you did a 3D. I also did a 3D, but my 3D here, it's I cannot show it because I have private information in it. But I might Sensei is waiting, of course. Okay. Of the change. All right. So now
set 0 as dictated by this number right here. And scene 2 5. That will be scene 0 as dictated by this number right here.
Okay. Yeah. One thing I need to do first. It's when I build settings, there is different scenes, so I will add the main scene, and I will also add this one here. There we go. Mama said I should listen to Stranger. Mine was a 2D. Oh, it was. Should not. Oh, that you should not. I will just turn off my screen and I will show you something after. I will actually change my 3D game just to show you as well. I'm just gonna remove the thing that has my private information in. I'm gonna put standard. There we go. It was showing my my CV. I made a 3D environment, so like you can, you know, why is my scene like this right now? Just a second. It should not be showing this way. I think it's because I just did 2V development and it's not, it's showing the resolution the same way. So, I mean, I took a lot of time just for the camera thing, right? So when I move my mouse, it does not go up and down right now because again, my space button is not working anymore as well. Okay. So I did mess up at the end. I removed a lot of stuff. I don't even remember what I was doing at this point. I had a jump function and also, like I said, the vertical camera thing should not be Should be working. Where's my... Ryan is not new. He's a Minecraft player. Where are my functions? My scripts? Oh yeah. Yeah, okay, I remember why. I used this script for the thing. Actually it's not working because of this is grounded, right? If I remove the is grounded, it was the thing I was trying to debug. This grounded thing does not work and I don't know how to make it work. Why is that not working though? Okay. Well, maybe I did something else. I guess. It was supposed to work. And for the camera thing, what is the camera thing I changed at the end? So y-axis. Let's try. So right now the camera is not really moving, so if I change this to 100, still not moving, so it's not about acceleration. Maximum speed 100, still not moving. It's one of the things I never understand from this one. But yeah, I changed too much stuff, I don't remember. Anyway. Let's go back to the 2D world. I'm gonna save because I think I changed something that was useful. Alright, now let's go back to my button here. This thing here, script player 1. This is script player choose button. This is alright.
If we go into our second scene, we do the exact same. File, build settings, add open scenes. And again, this has a 1. So this is scene number 1. If we go back to our first scene, and let's set up a trigger, let's say somewhere between these trees, which takes us to the second scene. So right click, create C# script, and we'll have this as scene switch.
Wow. I'm not gonna make a script.
In Visual Studio, or if you're using an older version of Unity, Modern Develop, or pretty much anything.
I don't need to make a script. I already have one in the button.
Underneath, using Unity Engine, we actually management, and you can see it already auto.
Okay, scene management. It doesn't appear. Oh, okay. All right.
Filling. Semicolon. Now this is actually a lot easier than you would think. The method, see, had 0 as the first scene, the one we're in now, and 1 as the second.
Okay, so scene manager, one load. Scene, and then I will probably put
the one we want to move to. So 1, close bracket, semicolon, and
oh, I see. I see. So this one will go to 1, and now into the button of the other one here, I will void player 1 chosen, whatever, player 1 button, click. That's a bad name, but whatever. And this is not what I wanted to paste. Let's see, this one here will be 0. Oh, yeah. I thought I had pasted it. Save this, save this. So if I launch this, I mean, maybe I'm missing something still, right? Oh, I'm launching from the wrong scene as well. Well, it will work, right? No. It's void, public void. Why is that not there? Oh wait, it's in the button, not in the script player. No. It is in the script player. Script player 1. Yeah. Why is that not working? That's so frustrating. Oh. I was looking at this one, not this one. Okay. All right. Okay, maybe I really need to be on the right scene. So it did go into this one, but once I am the other one, this one does not work. But at the same time, the click does not seem to work. So if I start here and I put a console, click here, it will say this is a test message, and nothing happened here. Okay. I'm gonna put the console separated, so I have to put it there. Hey, what's up, MLT? How are you? Okay, there is no camera in this one, that's why. No, there is a camera. Never mind. I could not see the thing if it was not a hello. It's me. Target display, display 1. Okay, additional. I mean, let's not change this for now, but why is my button not working though? Why is there a link between my button as well? So weird. Yeah, nothing happened. The click is not working. I don't understand. Maybe there's something else.
Save. So if you put whatever between int, maybe about what, and switch scene. So there is our trigger, and obviously we're in the second scene now. As you can see, it's a lot lighter. It's still the trigger we switch in, down because it's fully with the biggest. So that's helped.
No, it was the only thing. Okay, so why first scene button work, second scene button not work? Is it normal that this script does not exist outside of his? I think it might be. So weird. How much you learning for today? I'm kind of stuck already. I figure a way to go from a scene to another one, but when I go on my other scene, my button is not working. So like, let's say I go here, right? So right now I'm in the game, I click the button here and it switched to my other scene. But now this button just does nothing. I don't understand why. And this is pretty much the same. Welcome back, Russia. The only difference is I'm pretty sure I go in the other scene and I take the same button and I copy it. This here, let's go on the main, go in the canvas here, paste that here, paste as a child, and not a child of this, a child of this. What? Wait a second. Is it because of the... This thing has to always have a child for some reason. So is it because my other scene has actually their own settings? No, it's still Android. What can it have difference? Is that because there is no game handler in this one? So I will need to put an event system as well. Oh man. It is the reason. There was no event. What's up, Abubak? How are you? Okay, now I need to cast the character based on this. So let's say my first thing here is, okay, I'm gonna remove this for now. Let's erase this. This will be a change character here. All right. Yo. The line send me in DM a picture of a character. If you had a character, what would it be? Okay, so this one will be player. Change player. We're gonna make it a bit bigger. Best fit here. Subtitle. Yeah. Let's put it. Okay, so now here, save this. Okay, player 1 will be Russia. Okay, so Russia, I'm gonna make a new folder here. It will be sprites, and then I will put Russia here. And then in this button, we will put Russia as a sprite. Here, this here, let's remove the text here. There we go. Okay, so if this happens, for now it will be pretty basic. I will start with him, only one for now. Let's go back to the first scene. Okay, you did send me a picture. All right. Russia Pico, yes, welcome. Abus, please open IT class already. Sorry, what do I have to? No, you don't. Okay. Alright, so let's put an image into this canvas. And this image here will be the player. And now player choose here, save. we'll take this button, we'll copy it, put it there as well. Change this for button player 2. Take this out. Why are they always linked? I don't understand why is in this scene everything has to be linked. But I don't want them to be linked or whatever, I guess. Okay, so this one here, let's add sprites here. The line is a troll face. Now the line will be on the second button here. We'll put the troll face with the transparent thing still there, because he did send this to me. I'm playing the scary AF backroom where a rip-off siren head chased me. Are those backroom with levels? No idea. Okay, button player 2, I will make... it's already the same script, so let's make on the same, even though it's not really... it will be player button 2 click. And this one will do something else. So in this one here, we'll put the button player 2. Okay, now I want my first scene to have the image change based on this. I die on 3rd level. I run into the monster. RIP. Tell me why. Hate money but a mistake. Okay. Unity. Send information to different scene. Send parameter, I guess.
Hit up here. One effect screen hack so speak and make up can on our word pizza and if we're going to have eat just all because tasks that are stick. Now let's see what happened. Difficult.
Save management, text difficulty, text, state name, controller, game controller. Same load scene, main.
Just select the text and hit play. Press medium difficulty, and it pops up here saying medium. Play text.
What?
So for the instance of an object equals state name controller dot difficult instance. Nothing.
Okay, that will be a bit more complicated than I thought. Okay, let's start simple. Let's start with sending information, but again with something more simple than what I want to do, so I don't get discouraged. So I will just show the text, player chosen, right? Alright, now you play B-Swarm, okay. Let's put this at best fit, max to 300. Okay. Alright, so what I want here, main scene, player chosen. Now I have these two. Okay, so I will have to be a bit more careful because it does not, you cannot just code it, you have to put it into the thing.
Into here just by there. Take a look at actually coding this thing here. It's start game, easy, medium, upper left. Under our hierarchy, we see it's empty, but you do notice up here, for the text.
Okay.
And now we're going to type scene manager dot load scene, and our game scene is called game, so we're going to put that between quotation marks and a semicolon.
Okay, so in the first here, wait a second. Did you make a script just for that? What is this? A main menu controller? But where did he put
Our
the...
main menu.
Yeah, he did a controller. Okay. I guess I will make also... an empty object call game controller, and in this I will have a script which will be game handler, and in the game handler I will add what I need. So
You notice we have a game in creating her dot in quotation.
So we'll make public void player change. Let's put string player chosen, and then put this here, and you gotta get ready for work. No, you have to stay. You're not a good student. I'm about to do something amazing. Okay, into that we will put public text. Come on, man. Player text. This will be erased anyway. Okay. Why is that not working? Using Unity dot engine dot UI. This player text should be working. Player change player text dot text equal player chosen here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's save this way. Now when I click on this here, I want to call the game handler, I would guess. Can I do it this way? Is it what it does? I don't know. Private test. No, I cannot write test. Game handler test 1. Then here test 1 dot player change Russia here. The line. Would it be that way? Probably not. Yeah, it did crash. Object reference not set to instance. Oh, wait. There was a reason. I need to go in the event system thing. Not the event system. The main scene here. The event. Where is my... What? I made a script. I made a thing handler thing. Where is it? Am I crazy? Where is the script then? The game handler. What? Did I make it into the game controller? I made it in the wrong one. I was not in the right scene. And I cannot paste it there. Copy. Paste. This one will save this. I'm gonna remove it there because it's not this one I wanted. Save here, game controller, player chose game controller, text. Okay, now if I do that, change player, Russia, still not working. Script player 1 player button, not instance for. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint on this here. Attach this to Unity. First play. Object reference not set. Object reference not set to an instance on object. What? Never mind, it's not that epic actually. Why can I not find the thing? That's weird. Oh yeah, we need to pass himself first. You forgot to do your homework. Rip. No, I cannot do it this way. Okay. Let's see how we did.
Marks at semicolon and hit save.
Oh. No. Scene manager, dot load scene. Load scene.
Between our scenes in easy, medium, and hard. We also have a main menu controller gamer script attached to it. If we open this script, we can type enter, but that just when we enter unit name and game is easy for the window for to go back in the smash up and see what's in here. So I've already typed the method for going back to the game the menu, but
wait, the load scene thing is the same as yeah, okay. It's just showing the
what we're going to text show up. That's because, and you'll need well, nothing yet, but basically this is the point difficulty. Now, just to clear it's numerator in this strict difficulty. This strength crystals pass it to the state name controller, and now over here we're setting the difficulty to.
state name controller.
It's going to pass it to the state name that the difficulty text is equal to state name controller difficulty. Put a semicolon, press save.
Where is the state name controller thing though?
If we press start game, set difficulty, let's take a look.
Where is that coming from?
There It's because literally just forgot to attach the object. So if we go back to the game window and go into the game manager script, we see that the difficulty text has not been set. So we have to actually go under the
Game
canvas,
manager,
select the text, and
difficulty
drag it in
text.
here. Now it has been set. Let's go back to the main menu and try that one more time. Enter okay, controller dot difficulty. Let's take a look. Ah, okay. So difficulty. Let's take a look. Equals state name controller dot difficult to instance. Nothing. Let's see what happened. Difficult is equal window. We are going to say that the difficulty text over here.
I don't really understand how it works, to be fair, to be honest. Like, I know what he's doing, not I know, but I could repeat exactly what he's doing, but that's not what I understand from it. I want to understand how is this. I don't want to set the text the same way as it. I don't want to set it first into a thing and then just change the variable. I got framed for being too sus, like saying stuff about okay, and it's my record. What do you mean your record? So I don't know about getting in a good college. I don't know either. I don't really understand. I don't have the same scholar system as you. It's on my record. Oh, okay.
Make sure you have scene management. Using the engine.scene management type at the top there. With canvas function to main menu controller and press load game controller onto it. Go under function to main menu controller and press load game. Now where it's asking us to write something, we're going to type the name of our difficulties, which is easy for the easy button, medium for the medium button, and hard for the hard button. And this is important because this is the variable that we're going to be passing to the next.
I don't like when people like change variable into the Unity thing instead of the code.
Easy mode, a game for medium, and a game for hard. But that's not the
That's the part I don't really understand. Why is he putting? Main menu controller.
Function to main menu controller and press load game. Now where it's asking us to write something, we're going to type the name of our difficulties, which is easy for the easy button, medium for the medium button.
I don't like this. Maybe it will be as simple as I just like put public text test 1. I'm not in the right code. Now the question is, if I go in this scene, can I link? Can I link this here to the text of my main scene? No, I can't. Nothing up here. Ah, that's pretty annoying. Ah, that's pretty annoying. Do I really need to do something like that? How do we even call this class though? That's what I need the most.
And it's nothing. Make sure you're typing up here using unityengine.ui, and you'll keep that up. We have
Game controller, game manager.
we have a game manager here, which has a script on it called game. Make sure you have scene management using the engine.scene management typed at the top there. Under because this do medium window play roll, but this public doesn't want to show up. That's because you have to make sure you're typing up here as well. And right under start, we are going to have to carry over to that they are going to be static, a public static string variable, and I'm going to just name this difficulty. Now, because it's static, this means this is the only place I have to so we can just go and say state name controller dot difficulty equals input.
What is the state name controller? I don't understand this part. Where is that coming from? Is that a thing? State name. No, he named it, but where?
Put requested video subject at using if we open this locate at this word now and controller and press load game. Now where it's asking us to easy button because this will do this in a game and over here where we have a text or a difficulty the game mix mash open that up and see what's in here. So I've already typed the method for going back now because you have to, and you'll also do that. But to do this in a clear it's a central script where you can carry a bunch of variables, but basically it's a central script where you can.
You made a script named state name controller. But where is your script?
Carry a bunch of variables, enumerators, created called state name controller variable. This means create controller dot difficulty equals and say without needing to go to another script. So now over here under main menu controller, where we go to load game, difficulty equal. Just gonna we are going to say that the controller.
Okay, so we passed it into the other class, but
from our main menu. We'll hit play, and if we press start game, nothing's gonna happen yet because it is saying object reference not set difficulty. Let's take a look to attach the object. So, the reason we're getting that error is because literally just forgot to attach the object. So if we go back to the game window and go into the game manager script, we see that the difficulty text has not been set. So we have to actually go under the canvas, select the text, and drag it in here. Now it has been set. Let's go back to the main menu.
I don't understand his state name. It's not.
Press medium difficulty.
Where is it linked?
And it pops up here saying medium. Go back. It's up there. In the scenes starts here.
That's so annoying.
Sort of variables. So thanks very much for watching. And,
Where did he put his state name?
Under a hierarchy scene,
I hate this.
manager. Just remember, if not the Unity game window, we can open up our canvas, select these buttons, menu controller, and press load game. Now where it's asking us and another mode to go in here into this game window, and over here where we have a text object already set up, we want this text object to display.
It's probably the text that has the script in it, right?
And in this game window, we have a game mix match ahead and open the main menu. Very this Unity and under tip display do this. Well, carry over, but in your game, I'm calling it something like state.
Okay, that's where he created.
Is what I like to use. But basically, it's a central script where you can carry a bunch of variables.
I don't understand. You just make the script random. It does not link it to anything.
So
it just
this, script I just created called state name controller. I'm going to make a public static string variable, and I'm going to just name this difficulty. Now, because it's static, this means this is the only place I can declare this variable called difficulty. If I want to create a similar variable, I have to make sure the name is slightly different. But the static variable will.
I don't care about this. I just want to know why is that working.
Over here under main menu controller, where we go to load game, we can just go input, because input is the string. Over here on the game controller window, we are going to say that the difficulty text is equal to state name controller dot difficulty.
Why does it need to make a second script for that? So the script is storing this information, and now here it take the information in the script to put it into the difficulty text, but at the start function. Oh, it's a freaking pointer. Oh man, it's just a pointer. Wow. What a annoying way to do something. You put it in the start function, so this text will always be linked to this variable now. Is that really the only way? I don't like the assumption. I hate it. You need to create another event handler to be able to pass the thing. You need to put your variable active at the beginning, so you have a pointer on it, and then you can only change. But when he's not in his main scene, how do we call the state name controller? You just call it state name controller and it will always be found. So does that mean I can just do like game handler can I just do like game handler dot what's the name again, player change. If his thing work, can I just do that then? Of course I can't. It's a non-static field. It has to be static? You do exclamation point. Oh, okay, it's smooth play. What's up? You do exclamation point power. What's up, Dex? So that's why you need to make a variable from it. You cannot just. I hate this option. whatever, I guess. String player. And it will be more annoying because I will have to okay, add start, public text, player text, text, player text, here. Oh, it was there. I'm just doing the same thing again. Start player text dot text equals player. You used to watch in Power Simulator? Yeah. Is it player? Yeah. The player equal Russia. Yeah. Let's put this here. I really don't like this solution, but let's say I'm pretty sure I did forget something somewhere. Okay, so player text will be this here. Game controller. Come on, man. Oh, I already had it. Object references. No. That's frustrating in a way. It does work, but yeah, I hate it. I really don't like this solution. Okay, so it start, player chosen, change player, Russia, change player, the line. So now it's less complicated because it was text, but now I would need to switch the image instead. Okay. Unity change image sprite. All right, so you do public sprite, Russia, public sprite, the line. Then I save this. Wait, it's not in this. It's in the game handler. Script this here. Russia and the line, and then game handler. Okay, how do I? That's the problem. This solution worked because of the oh wow. I would actually need to put them into the other one. Okay, public static image player image, then player image no. Can't. Could I just call a function at this point? Probably, right? So if I do player change and I pass string, I can keep the string too, and then select case, select case C#, switch case, switch player chosen, Russia, case the line, I don't know if it would work. This not needed for now, and default will have nothing in it. Invalid statement? What do you mean? Wait, it's only case. I don't need to put equal. Yeah. The line. If I do this, and now in the game controller, I already have this. Now I will need in the script player thing, do game player, game handler dot what is my function name? Player change. I cannot call the freaking function. Okay, if I put this as a static, for some reason it might work. Really? Will it work though? That will be funny if it worked. That would be a great thing. Reference. Oh yeah, no, I cannot do that, is it? Oh, I just lost them because of the thing. Computer. Yeah, that's the thing. Because it's static, I cannot. Ah, shit. I cannot use public variable into. Wow. Alright, let's do something else then. Player image as sprite equal Russia first, and then player image sprite public static sprite chosen this will not be static, this will be just public. This player image will go it equal at chosen. Chosen will be equal to Russia at first equal, so I don't have a error at the beginning. Then I will link this together. This here will not work. Edit this, advance, comment this. This here will be sprite chosen equal I don't need to copy them in both, but here I will do it because I want. Because I want to have a sprite at the beginning. But the line would not be needed anymore here. I can just put this here. Now these sprites are also in this one, but here I will have to switch my scene, go in this one, go into the button player 1 Russia, Sprite Russia here and the line here. That's pretty much it, right? Save this, save this. Oh wait, chosen. Now I put this variable to this one and this variable to this one. Here, Russia, go away. Player, the line, go away. This here is missing this and this. Save this. Is there still something not okay with you? Game enters, approaches. Player change. Oh. I don't call this. Okay. So now if I go back to my main scene here and I press play and I do what do you mean? Player image, prior image, player image. Oh, I did not link the image. Yeah. Alright, so it starts as Russia. If I press change player, it did not work. But it did not crash. Oh, the sprite are not there anymore. Russia and the line. I'm just gonna remove the no, never mind. But I'm pretty sure I did set this. Do I just lose it because I change? Anyway, let's try. Ah, man. Why is that not working? Okay, it's there. Okay, now that's a bit annoying. I don't know what happened. Yeah, the function is calling everything, but the sprite here does not change. Source image. Oh. No. This should be working. Oh, wait a second. No, it's if I put game handler dot player equal Russia, and now game handler equals the line. What's happening? Russia, the line. It's not pro. My thing is not working, but you're not watching. That's why, because you do not see the. You will understand that I'm trying to do something that does not want to work. The text change, I do the same thing with the sprite instead, but since the sprite is a public. Yes, it's still daytime. Well, daytime. We have the same time. You have like 1 hour more than me. No. I mean, could it be just as simple as if I use the update function? I hate this option, but like if I do that, let's say if player equals Russia. Well, let's put the line this time first, since you already have it. you already have the sprite. If it's the line, then put the sprite here to Russia. Yeah, but it's been a while that I did that. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to update the sprite. Wait, I'm dumb. I mean, I did not figure it out, but I'm dumb for the current thing I just did. I just put sprite Russia back into. There will be sprite the line here for the tests. The line here and this here. Game controllers, sprites, and the line will be this here. Oh man, did I just change something? Oh, okay, I have to redo it because I was in debug mode. The line here. Is it okay if you make more Muscle Legend vids? They were awesome. Vic. Oh man, it's still not working. I'm not really interested into playing Roblox anymore, to be honest. But I don't know. Maybe, but I don't like pay to win. And Muscle Legend is so much pay to win, especially today. And I don't know why my attach to Unity does not work anymore. That's also another thing. It was working before. So the update thing is not working as well. So I would guess that the update thing is not being called as it is. If I do that and I put update, Muscle Engine is a bit, it's not just a bit, right now it's super pay to win and so much cheater. Just look the leaderboard. The leaderboard makes 0 sense. And people, there is some kids that go like, oh, the update is being called. So why? If I do that, why does it not? What? Player equal the line, then sprites. Oh man, I did not change the thing again. You know, Russia, when I said I was dumb for one thing. Yeah, so the leaderboard is just broken. If you want to play, yeah, the pets are just way stronger than anything you can reach as a free-to-play. Like, this is just dumb. You cannot, as a free-to-play, you can not even reach the same. So now it switched, but it switched only because I used the update function. That's annoying. I hate this. The update function is being called every like tick, which is a really not efficient way to do the thing. But for some reason, if I use this and I put the sprite from the other scene and put it into it, it's not working. I put sprite Russia, put sprite the line. I go in my other scene here, player chosen. I go into my function here, and you see Russia, it's you, and the line is the line, and it's the two variable here, and I pass them into the chosen thing the same way as I do for the text. It's also a static sprite. Boom boom, nothing work. Do you play PSX? What is PSX? Is it a Roblox game? I don't play Roblox. That's why I'm asking if it's a Roblox game. Will it crash if I don't put anything in it? Wait a second. What? So Russia worked? Sprite Russia did work. What? Oh. Oh man. Even if I use the function, the script in both script need the variable. Wow. So it was working. Okay. Okay, I don't need the update function. That's cool. Okay, so I can put Russia back here as the first sprite for now. Pet Simulator Hex. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's Roblox. Again, I hate pay to win. I hate pay to win and Roblox. I mean, Roblox is my only way to grow. And Russia, I'm telling you something. I don't know if you're there, but I quit my job last Friday, so I have 2 weeks to do. I need to find another job after that. Oh, so it's not working. What? It should be though. Is it because I changed the thing when I was not? Why? It was supposed to be which one? What do you mean? I only have one job? The job I did work for 1 year, 14 months now. I quit last Friday, so I have 2 weeks. Like I said, when you quit, you have 2 weeks to still do. The problem in this is there is a arrow here from this to this, but why? Why are the link and where? Is that the reason why it's not working well? Okay, for some reason. Okay, so if I put Russia right away, it does not work. But if I yeah, so I have to find another job. Oops. If I don't put a variable right away in it, That's kind of dumb. Oh, okay, I understand though. I think I understand now. Oh. It's because there is a link. And not the link between the image, but the link between there's a pointer, so if I put this right away into it, it won't change anymore for some reason. If I change it from the other place, then it works. Alright. You know what to do in that case? I just have to put the sprite right away into it. So if I put your sprite right there, like Russia at first, then I will be able to switch after. Because the variable will still be linked to the right thing. Wait, what? Why did... Oh. Wow, that's... okay. Because I put it equal to the sprout chosen, and the sprout chosen is nothing for now. What? What the... Wow. Okay, what about I do this? I put it, this is equal to sprout chosen, then I put the chosen to sprout Russia, sprite Russia, and then will it still be fixed? But I would not be surprised that it would actually what? So it changed nothing if I do that. Okay. Private void change player to Russia. If I call it from a function, what happened? Does not work. Why? Wow. That's so annoying. I have to set the thing equal to the variable so I can call it from the other function. From the other, you know, the other class. But at the same time, since I put the image sprite to equal to this variable right away, it will change your sprite to this. But I cannot put this into this function to the right value right away, or else it will stay this value forever. I cannot switch it after. But to be able to switch it, I need to put it. That's so annoying. Yeah, it's not that complicated, but it's so weird. And the thing is, oh, I could go like, oh, okay, in this function I just have to call it first here, but this function is not being called before I call the script, right? Or is it? Like, does the start function is being called in everything even though I did not call the thing? Is it like built at the beginning of Unity, like when Unity launched the first scene, it also built every scene? Maybe. No. So if I press change player, which I will not see anything happen, but now it will be the right sprite. So if I click, it won't work because Hey, what's up, Amplified? How are you? Can I switch scene B? Okay, so if I do this, change player, and then can I go back to my scene? You see, it was Pikachu. Or was it? Oh, it switched back because every time I go back to main scene, it recalled the start function. You're doing fine? Nice. I'm not doing fine though. That thing is breaking me. I mean, it's not even a important matter, to be fair, but... And I could call the update thing, but... Let me see something. Unity. Is the update function always call if it's empty? If it does not exist in a script, yeah, okay. Is update inefficient? Yeah. How did I even lose the sprite? You know what I could do though? No. Yes? What if I... What if instead of using the game handler, I call it into the button, and then in the button I only call it once, but before you click the button the player will stay with the sprite it has. Right? Let's try. I don't need sprites here. So if I do this, will it break the game? Yeah, it's just not working. Of course. Wait a second. No. No, it's not working. Is the update content called more than once? Not update, but start. Game Angular start. If I could debug, that will be way faster, but for some reason I cannot debug now. What? Oh. Still, yeah, okay. I removed the script, of course. Wait. Okay. Really? I had this? I wonder if it's being called again when I switch scenes. Game and low start. It is being called again. So then I can just do this. That would be simple as that. Wow. I lost so much time doing this that now I'm discouraged for the rest. What's moving? Oh, my screen. Okay, you cannot move the text from with the arrows.
grab that and you can say let's drag let's put it with move the text to the scale create see right change to the bro do the plan and then drop play. If I click, don't forget.
Yeah. I'm starting to think that no one will actually care about this game even if I keep going. It's too much effort for what it's gives. And it's kind of annoying, I cannot copy what is inside of this to another one. I will have to remake the thing. Okay, that's it. I don't even know what's happening at this point. Alright, that's it for this.